Hello everybody. Welcome to No1doctor channel. Today we will talk about one of the famous doctors, Moritz Kaposi, 1837 to 1902. Kaposi sarcoma, multiple idiopathic hemorrhagic sarcoma. Kaposi sarcoma was an uncommon cutaneous malignant tumor, said to be most frequently seen in elderly Eastern European men. It has only come to prominence since the early days of the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, when it became recognized as a common, highly virulent tumor occurring in this disease. Moritz Kaposi was born Moritz Khan, of Jewish parents in 1837 in Kapovar, Hungary. He studied medicine in Vienna, qualifying MD in 1861. He became assistant to Professor F. von Huber at the University Hospital in Vienna, probably the most eminent dermatologist of his time, and worked under him from 1866 to 1869. He married his chief's daughter. After terms as privatdozent and assistant professor, he was appointed to the chair of dermatology on Huber's death in 1881, and remained in that post until his own death in 1902. Kaposi had an enormous practice. His clinics saw patients and doctor visitors coming to him from far and wide. He had the ability to seize upon the essentials of a case and convey them clearly to his visitors. He completed Huber's major textbook of dermatology as well as writing his own, which dealt not only with the clinical features of the diseases, but also pathology and therapy and the relationship of skin diseases to the body as a whole. Huber was a charming man, an excellent speaker, and took a leading part in the organization of both national and international dermatological societies. Kaposi gave a detailed description of the cutaneous lesions of the tumor that bears his name. He notes that it arises first on the feet, then hands, then arms and trunk, with ulceration and then gangrene. Later, nodules form on the mucosa of the larynx, trachea, alimentary canal and liver. He states, the disease ends in death within the short space of time of 2 or 3 years. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in more next videos. With my best wishes. Dr. 8 Fahmed.